Ram Ram everyone, welcome to Atulism. DU has finally cleared the air about maths being mandatory in class 12th for BCom honors in Delhi University. DU has basically backtracks on maths criterion for BCom honors. As per the news, Delhi University has backtracked on its proposal to make mathematics a mandatory requirement for admission in the BCom ऑनर्स कोर्स फॉलोइंग अ सिग्निफिकेंट बैकलैश फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स। और ये बैकलैश होना ही था। 2 साल पहले का डिसीजन 2 महीने में नहीं बदला जा सकता। उन्होंने 2 साल पहले एक पाथ चूज किया था, अकाउंट्स विदाउट मैथ्स। नाउ सडनली यू वांट देम टू हैव बोथ। कैसे हो सकता? तो बैकलैश था एंड इट फोर्स्ड यू टू टेक इट्स डिसीजन बैक। Now the university reverted to its original admission criteria, allowing students who did not study mathematics in class 12 to pursue a BCom honors at DU. तो उन बच्चों के लिए जिनके पास 12th में मैथमेटिक्स नहीं थी, they still can pursue BCom honors. It was the criteria till last year. According to the latest bulletin for undergraduate admissions, the students now have the option of having studied either accountancy or mathematics, either of the two. An official said the decision to make mathematics compulsory was made at the departmental level. So this decision was made at the departmental level. It is not CUET or any other agency. The change announced just months before 2025 Common University Entrance Test UG level led to concern among students. Many called the move unfair and unjust, particularly due to the timing of decision. Students, including DUSU President Ronak Khatri, voiced their frustration on social media. They obviously have to. One student wrote, "The decision to make mathematics compulsory for BCom honors is completely unfair, especially with only 2 months left before exam. We urge you to reconsider this decision." And obviously 2 महीने पहले आपने बताया है. Now the students, the teachers and the parents all are in large. It is a decision that is going to impact their future in coming year. So obviously DU has to reconsider it. Professor Pankaj Garg, a mathematics professor at DU's Rajdhani College, said the proposal was detrimental to students and would have negatively impacted their future. As I have just mentioned, the opposition from students and teachers stemmed from the fact that students choose their subjects in school based on intended undergraduate path, जो उन्होंने 2 साल पहले सोचा होगा. He added that department cited poor performance as the reason for change. Now, DU has, since it has reverted, for CUET students can choose from 2 combinations. One includes a language from list A, maths or applied maths and any 2 subjects, economics or BST from list B. The second includes a language from list A, accountancy or bookkeeping and 2 subjects from list B. Removing the second combination would have left many students in the lurch before CUET mathematics was a mandatory for BCom honors. CUET से पहले mandatory था. लास्ट ईयर तक 2 आपके पास कॉम्बिनेशन थे, मैथ्स इकोनॉमिक्स BST, अकाउंट्स इकोनॉमिक्स BST. तो इन्होंने जो सेकंड कॉम्बिनेशन था वो रिमूव कर दिया है. अभी भी एक प्रॉब्लम है, जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने फॉर्म फिल कर दिया है उनका क्या होगा? सो इफ any such update comes, I will definitely let you informed about it. I will appraise you. For that, keep on following this channel. Do like, subscribe and share.